Your account. Made more secure with Self-Service Password Reset, SSPR, and Multi-Factor Authentication, MFA.
Hi, I'm Jenny from the IT Support Center, and I'm here to help you manage your Humber account by first enrolling in SSPR and then MFA. Signing up is easy, and the benefits are huge. It will make your Humber account practically invincible from hackers. But what is SSPR? SSPR is a self-service password reset tool that allows you to reset and manage your password yourself. Now that you know what SSPR is, let's register at myaccount.humber.ca. There are 3 different methods to register: mobile, Microsoft Authenticator, or your personal email. And you need 2 methods to sign up. Sign in with your username followed by @humber.ca and click Next. Enter your password and click Sign in. If you don't know your password, you will need to contact the IT Support Center, but after you've registered your account, you will never need to contact us for a password reset again. After you have entered your password, you will be asked for more information. Click Next. Let's start with your mobile. Click I want to set up a different method and choose phone from the list of methods. Choose Canada from the drop-down menu, and then enter your mobile number in the space provided. Use the Text Me a Code option to have a code sent to your phone. Check the mobile device you registered. A code should have been sent. Enter the 6-digit code from your mobile device in the spot and then click Next. You will know it was successful when your mobile code is verified. That's one method. Now let's register with the Microsoft Authenticator. Start by going to your App Store or Google Play and download the Microsoft Authenticator. Once you have it installed, come back to this window and click Next. Follow the instructions in the app, and when finished, click Next. Once the Microsoft Authenticator is set up on your phone, it will prompt you to scan the QR code displayed in the window. If you have trouble scanning the QR code, you can click Can't Scan Image. Otherwise, after you scan the code, click Next. Once your account is all set up on your phone, let's test it out. Back on your phone, in the Microsoft Authenticator, you should see this message. Click Approve and then go back to the window on the computer. Ta-da! You are set up with the Microsoft Authenticator. Click Next to go to your My Account page. The last possible method to register to SSPR is with your personal email address. You can't use your Humber email, as it uses the password you're trying to recover. You can also update your information anytime on the myaccount.humber.ca site. You can see what you currently have registered, and you can click on the +add sign-in method to add or edit your mobile or email. To add your personal email, just choose Email from the drop-down box. Enter your personal email address and click Next. A code will be sent to the email address you registered. Check your inbox for the code. Enter the code from the email and click Next. And that's the last method done. Remember, you only need to set up 2 methods. Now that you're set up with SSPR, not only is your account super secure, but if you forget your password, you will be able to reset your password without contacting the IT Support Center. If you cannot remember your credentials, click on the Forgot My Password link on any Humber logon window. Your username should auto-populate, but if it doesn't, just enter it in the format username at humber.ca. Then enter the characters in the picture or the words in the audio. Don't worry, if you're not too sure about the letters, you can refresh with new ones. Just follow the instructions, entering the information you registered on the myaccount.humber.ca page to confirm your identity. And now you can change or reset your password without contacting the IT Support Center. And you are now MFA ready. But what is MFA? MFA is just a second way of confirming you are, well, you. If you sign into Microsoft 365 at home, you will need to authenticate with a second method before you can log in. So it might be a text to your phone or using the Microsoft Authenticator. Email can be used for SSPR but not for MFA. Okay. You know what MFA is, and if you registered for SSPR, you are MFA capable, so why not go the extra security mile and sign up? Scan this QR code to go to the MFA sign-up form, or visit the website bit.ly/vwog. Signing up for MFA will make your Humber credentials super secure. More importantly, you are helping make the Humber community safer from hackers. But if you need us, you can call, chat, or even come visit. Goodbye.